Pleasure to have you all.
So happy to see all of you together.
I would like to introduce Mr. Vipin Sharma.
You people are the brand ambassadors for us.
And Mr. Sudhir Kochar.
Our relationship should continue till the lifelong.
Just show the reaction by clapping.
We have got a lot of positive vibe today. Let the party begin.
We are making the effort to connect with all alumni students. The more you learn, the more confident you will be in your life.
You all will keep coming, keep meeting us, and keep in touch with all of us.
Once you pass out from Skylark Institute, our relationship doesn't end here. That we can bring some value add for you, which can help you grow in your career.
Of course, the base is starting from here. I have been in the industry for last 35 years. And when I started 35 years back, I was like you people. Did everything possible from delivering tickets to learning, issuing tickets myself at domestic counter, international counter, and everything. I'm going to share with you something based on our experience. The owner of Indigo Airlines, directly working under him, and have learned a lot from him also. And then, of course, had a lot of mentors who guided us all the time. Is our way of giving it back to the industry. Things will bounce back. 9/11, Ebola, SARS. There are so many things when some of the flights were grounded. But every time the industry has bounced back more strongly. Put it on the chat. What do you prefer so that I can do it accordingly? Do you prefer English or you prefer mix? Rather than helping you, can stop your growth. And this is what we are calling them as your enemies in your growth. These are the 10 things which we normally don't consider. And of course, in the end, I'll give you a gift also. There are 3 concepts that I want to talk about. The world is changing. The more you implement, the better it is for you. Don't have short-term thinking, because long-term decisions will help you to grow faster. Bad health. Bad health is another enemy. Family friction. Your family is the most important thing in your life. Clear focus. Focus on whatever you are doing, because you will get appreciation whatever you will do right. Managing your money. Even if you do it wrong, fine. At least it's better than not doing it. If you have no goals, then you don't know what you're doing. And there are 3 kind of goals that you need to set up.
So to be best in your job, you need to be a good human being.
Chulteka is a river. All the bridges, everything got washed away. Roads, they hired a Japanese company and they made a bridge. Again, everything is flooded. Called The Strangest Secret of the World. The link will be just come to you on the chat. You can just copy it from there. We are making a section called Hall of Fame. We have 3 students and we are actually putting their name into Hall of Fame.
I am so calm and so polite all the time that first I learned so many things at Skylark.
When I joined Skylark, I was a bit shy. Listened, learned from here, thought out my life.
Yesterday, United Airlines announced that they are going to start flying to 21 countries.
Things have already started moving. UAE has allowed for everybody.
I just want to ask that my job was redundant and not terminated. So should I go for a company?
The best answer, if you ask me, stick to where you are for some time.
When was the international flight is going to be started?
We are trying to sell, and which every airlines want to buy is a Jet Airways frequent flyer or a loyalty program.
You all are so lovely. You make us alive. You know that?
If there's anything we can do, we are always available. Feel free to come and contact us.
I'm sure you all will remember this Meet Skylark. Will be connected with you throughout as always.